Hi hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video I will show you guys how to interact your pivot table using AI, especially using the NotebookLM, because NotebookLM is so powerful tools for you to doing research or to doing whatever you do, as long as you have good sources and you could take the gist from that. Okay, so here I have my very simple pivot table, and then if you are using WPS AI, you can just interact with this sheet, but I don't demo you on this video. I will demo you using the Notebook LM. So here the pivot table very simple, because this is only the example, and for your case, many cases the pivot table is because the table or your data is so huge, that's why you need pivot table. So rather than focus on pivot table before we go to the Notebook LM, you just make sure copy, duplicate your Excel, and then you just simply delete the pivot table. Okay, simply delete the pivot table worksheets. No need to worry, because we have you have already the backup, and the most important thing, of course, the data. So here my simple data, and then to make it simpler, that now we're making pivot table on Notebook LM, not using the spreadsheet format but using chat format. That's the thing what we're doing here. So here the data. So instead of upload directly your Excel files, because Notebook LM wouldn't accept this kind of file. So I will show you. Let's say I will paste it to the new folder. Okay, if I'm open my Notebook LM, and it wouldn't accept the Excel files. So when I upload files and then I locate my file previously, see, I couldn't see any Excel files. Even if I force it to all files and then click the XLS file, it doesn't support. Only the following file types are supported, blah 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 blah. There are no Excel or XLS listed here. So no need to worry, because this is normal, because NotebookLM natively read text format. So rather than upload directly your Excel, you just file and then click save as, and then you save it as CSV. Okay, as CSV, like this. Okay, and then click save on wherever it is. For instance, this one, click save, and then simply go back again to your Notebook LM, and then it will be shown. You just click all files, and then wait, where I save it, it's supposed to be there. Oh, okay, save. Okay, go back again, upload file. See, now the CSV already showing, and when I open it, it will upload it to Notebook LM. So once again, rather than you upload your pivot table, you just upload the raw data. I think if your data is so big, I think NotebookLM could handle it, because NotebookLM is so powerful. So rather than upload your pivot table, upload your raw data, and then you could interact anything on NotebookLM. You can create such as reports, video overview, infographic for summarize it for your colleague to make it fast to understand, data table, and so and so and so. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.